Hi everyone, welcome back to Casale Il Fontanellino channel. The second video of the renovation is showing the living room and the kitchen makeover. At this stage of the country house renovation, we had already painted the walls and moved out almost all the old furniture. The walls were all white and we decided for a warm yellow because we felt it's more a country color. The kitchen was already beautiful, but the marble had not drawers, so we ordered 2 drawers to close those 2 cavities in the marble. We added an antique little furniture piece to put the TV and DVD on. We added a new antique sofa and armchairs in the living room. I covered the armchairs with a light blue cover to prevent them from dust. Plus I washed them regularly, so I found it more hygienic. The ceiling light is handmade in Murano with Murano glass. We left that old credenza in the kitchen that was in the middle and just added blue curtains. We added the matching blue curtains to all the kitchen cabinets and to an antique cupboard on the right. The credenza was my great-grandmother, and even if it is not the highest value piece of furniture in the house, it's certainly worth the most for me, as it is one of the little things left I have from her. The work surface of the kitchen is a piece of art in marble, and the valuable thing is that it is one unique piece of marble which included the sink. The tiles are from Vietri and have their typical delicate blue decoration. Thank you for watching and put your thumbs up if you like it.